Join us on our monthly litter pick where we're going to be doing litter picking. That was stupid. Do you live in low-key or cold-side areas of Dundee and are tired of seeing rubbish all over your green space? Join us on our monthly litter pick at this local nature reserve, the Miley, where we'll be picking all the bits of litter we can find to make this place look nice. We'll spend an hour walking along the reserve, picking up any bits of rubbish that we find on the path or up on the banks. We'll be meeting here at the Old King's Cross entrance to the Miley this Saturday, the 29th of August at 12 p.m. Dress appropriately to the weather and bring a pair of gloves and a litter picker with you if you've got one. If you've not got one, let us know and we'll be able to find one for you. Hope to see you there.